Hi, everyone! Today, we're bringing you an installation video of a multifunctional outdoor waterproof garden light. This includes one remote control, one accessory pack, containing 2 product mounting screws and 2 yellow mounting screw sleeves, and 1 main product. First, please remove the 2 screws securing the product base. Please keep this safe, as you will need to reassemble it later. Please remove the product's fixed plate. You can bring your own light bulb and then install it, according to our installation method. Place the product mounting plate at your intended installment location. Mark the location with a marker, and then drill holes using an electric drill. Hammer in the yellow retaining nail sleeve. Please place the product mounting plate on top, and then use an electric drill to drive in the mounting screws. Please connect the power cord of the product base to the power cord you provided. After the connection is completed, you can put the lid on. Reinstall the 2 base fixing screws that were previously removed. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.